Guys, I have to sneeze. Wow, so fast, Gura. Thank you. Gimme. Thank you.
Ah. Wait a minute. Thank you.
Do you have any idea how long I've been waiting to do that? I did it! Okay. Sorry, where were we?
You. So proud. You finally sneezed, everyone.
I sneezed in the funny echo box. Yay! Alright.
Okay,
Where were we? Stippling motion. Stippling motion. I need to sneeze. This is bad. Where do I put my face? That was an interesting one. Sorry about that. Okay, now... I'm nervous! I'm just gonna put it down. It's perfect! I need to take a picture of this before anything happens. Let me take a picture real quick. Thank you! I sneezed. Okay, cookie! Bam 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 bam. It's perfect! Okay, so we have one takodachi. Now we're going to roll the dough out again. Bless you, chef. Thank you, chef. Who should we cut out next? Okay, and then we do blocks on the outside of the observers. And then we do the music block. And then we come in here and we knock out the dirt. I think I have to sneeze. Oh, that was an ugly one, sorry. Anyway, what do we do now? And then we go in here and we put the pistons in. Wait, that's the wrong one. Here we go. Here. And we do... Oh, there. Hi! Bye!